I will be showing you how to create one of these cards using the Gnomes Friends and Family stamp set and the flags nested dies. So I used the flags die to cut out a flag from this beautiful paper, and I'm going to create this piece by cutting from the nested circles. Let's have a look. This one and the next scalloped one from just a piece of paper. Let's have a look. I did use a piece of paper and cut this one and this one at the same time. So I created this edge and this piece, but this piece will be another project, so I'm going to lay that one over there. And from the flag I cut out this piece with the scalloped and nested circles, so you get this frame. Okay, so I got this frame from the flag and this one that will go on top of this card. It's just a little edge on it, and later on I will put that one on another piece of paper, so you get this layering, the tag, backing paper and the black one. And I did made from this one a folding card, and this one not yet, but this could also be sent and written on white, so that's nice. So at first I'm going to take this beautiful stamp, take that off, the whitewash texture stamp. You can see it's a whitewash background with sentiments. I'm going to lay this one like this, using the Distress Ink Mode Lawn, and I'm going to cover the whole background stamp, and I'm leaving it on the sheet, and you will see in a minute why I did that. So I'm going to take the flag and put it on the stamp. Then I will take a piece of paper, this is my messy paper, and rub it really well so the card takes on the ink, like that. And here you go. You can see these two pieces didn't take the ink because the flag is bigger, so I'm going to ink it just a little bit, put this one down here and make sure it's covered and you don't see anything. That's so. Okay, then I will take my ink pad and rub the edges just a little bit like this, so you can see it instantly gives just a little bit extra to the card. Then I will take the piece that will sit below the flag die and also go around these edges, just a bit rough, like this. So you can see this one will be that. I'm going to attach this with double-sided paper to give it just a bit extra texture, depth, I mean. So now I'm going to place this one on top of the card. So the next bit is this one will go on top of here, and also I will add some ink to that with my blending tool. So this will sit on top of there, and I'm also going to attach this with some foam dots. So this will be on top of there. So you can see it gives a bit of a dimension on the card. So that's the next step. I will be gluing this one down on the black backing paper. Okay. Let me press this for a moment. Okay. Well, and then we have to decorate it with the lovely stamps from the Gnomes, friends and family. And there are a lot of beautiful, cute animals in there. A little toadstool house, little flowers, the frog, leaves, and there are a lot of them. I did already cut some out so I can use them on other projects. So let's have a look. I'm not going to color this today, and I think I will be using the frog and maybe a flower. Let's have a look. I really like this one too. Yeah, that. And this frog has been colored with the watercolor Euphoria paint from Lisa Horton Crafts. You can see my paint pen. I've been using it a lot, and the colors really, the nabs really don't get empty if you use them. So you can use them for a long time for a lot of projects. The frog is going to be attached also with foam dots. So. and that will be in the center of this piece, and this one will be just glued on the card. Like this. Okay, I will be adding some gems, and these are from a older collection from Lisa Horton Crafts, but still beautiful to use, and I love them with the green card. So I'm going to add them with my pickup tool, and you can see here's the sharp thing, and here is the pickup tool. I added washi tape to see on which side the pickup tool would be. So just a little dot of glue, pickup tool. Oh. Like this, and there is the card that I wanted to show you. I'm going to add a sentiment later on. Lisa has a lot of sentiments, small and big. You can add anything like this one. This is an older one, Smile from the Bold Words, and I've added to this card the happy birthday that comes with the whitewash texture stamp. I used the happy and the birthday. So you can see 3 cards, and they are all different. Like this. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to the YouTube channel from Lisa Horton Crafts, and see you next time. Have a lovely day. Greetings from Natasha, Bobo Made By.